Guys, so today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how I created this look. I'm using an old picture, but I'm going to recreate it again. I want to show you guys how I shot this photo, and hopefully you guys can recreate it or do any other kind of fun things you want to. But before we do that, let's just talk about this YouTube channel. So I'm starting it today. It's the first day of the new year, so what better way to start it? And I'm going to challenge myself to post every day this month. So by creating this channel, I hope to share with you guys my photography and videography tips that I have learned and that I continue to learn as I grow. And I want to connect with you guys a lot, so comment down below what your goal is for 2018. And also, if you really want to help me out, comment down below what you're looking for in my YouTube channel or what you think YouTube needs. So I'm going to be posting some come shoot with me videos like this one, and also I'm probably also going to be doing some short films. I really love the storytelling aspect of photography and videography, and I love when you can kind of like get a glimpse into someone's life just by seeing a photo of them that just reveals something about them, you know? So I love that part. So excited. What I really want to get into in like end goal, not end goal, there's no end, but like one of my bigger goals is I want to travel the world and do photography and videography, like travel videos and stuff. I think that'd be incredibly fun. And I think travel destination weddings, that would be so cool. So to start off, the equipment you need a string of lights. Here we got ourselves a few of these. I got two of these. They're really short, honestly, but I think they'll do. And then I have this one multicolored one, which is really not anywhere near as bright as these, so we're probably going to have to wait for it to get a bit darker. We'll see. And so yeah, this is what we got. And we're going to be using this nice Amazon Basics remote. It came in this nice carrying pouch. It was under $10, and it's been really useful. This is the lens I'm using. It's 50mm 1.4. It's really important to have a wider aperture for your lens because then it will do better in lower light. So the first thing you want to do is curl your hair. I'm super duper bad at curling my hair, honestly. So we're gonna see how this goes. And this is the final look. Okay, I'm kidding. But like honestly, it's kind of cute. This is how I curl my hair. I like do stuff with it. I like curl it and then pin it up so it stays kind of in place. So this is like the final look, kind of. Like once I was done with doing that weird thing with my hair, I curled my hair away from my face just to get this kind of cascading waterfall thing that will look really cool when I do like that. Okay, so I'm going to be filming the rest of this on my phone, and I'll show you my setup here. So here I have my camera set up on my tripod. I'm going to turn it from continuous shooting to self-timer, the remote one. Okay, so here is the look. It's pretty great, right? So what I'm going to do is I have my camera set up like where my phone is, and what I'm going to do is just press the self-timer, focuses. Just look at the camera. Usually when I focus, like you kind of have to face the camera and it'll find your face, and then you can kind of like turn once it does that. Yeah, so doesn't this look great? I would totally recommend this for a night out. Like, it looks fantastic. All your friends would be like, oh my god, where'd you get that idea? So here's the way I have the light set up. So I have it in my pants, the controller, and then I just have it like wrapped around and pinned in my hair. I have quite a few bobby pins that are just holding it in place. Like down here is one. And then I have it wrapped around. So it's just twisted around in the natural cascading kind of pattern I want it to be. Another bobby pin. And then up here, I just have it. It's kind of tangled. I think last time I did it, I didn't even use bobby pins. And then I have one right here. And then another one right here. And I kind of had it like looped into my hair. So that is the verdict. Oh, there's more. There's always more hairpins. So here we go again. I've got this in my hair now. Honestly, this one was way harder because whereas these white lights are spaced out really close together, these colored ones are like every third one, so there'd be like one here and one here, and there'd be like all this space between, and like what am I supposed to do with that? So it's colorful. You can't really see the red ones. That's another thing that's kind of annoying about it, is that the red ones just kind of get lost because of their placement in it. It's nowhere near as good as last time, so I'm gonna like redo this again. Be back. Honestly, this is so much better than before. And now we're gonna do something really special. So I got these lights, and then I got the lights in my hair. Then we're gonna do cool stuff with them. Like so. Let's put these in my pants again. And then we'll do some really cool stuff. This is absolutely the most amazing thing I've ever done in my entire life. When you're shooting in low light, in order to avoid grain as much as possible, we are going to be shooting with a wider aperture, so a smaller number like f1.4 is the widest my lens can get, so we're going to be shooting at f1.4, and that will give you a very small plane of focus when you're this close. So probably parts of me are going to be really unfocused, but we can play around with some cool stuff with the lights in my hands and stuff, because you'll get some amazing bokeh. And we're going to try to keep the ISO as low as possible to prevent grain. So right now, I'm going to take some photos of my hand close up. And I'm sure you can tell that it's kind of hard to focus the whole time throughout the whole video, just because I don't really know where I am. But it's especially hard with my hand because I'm not sure where the focus point is and where to move my hand in the frame. But all you really need is one shot that works, so just go for it. And maybe you'll accidentally come across something really cool. And honestly, sometimes the out of focus ones are actually cooler than the in focus ones.